Read that. Read that. Listen, this brings me so much joy because not only am I a cleaning professional, my business will be 10 years old in the summer. I work on my own. I'm a mom of 2 kids, a cat mom, a wife to a husband. I love nature. I have the Poconos first and only award-winning green certified cleaning business. And I say that a lot because I'm proud of it. I am proud of it. I have several certifications in cleaning and disinfecting infectious diseases from the World Health Organization, from Global BioRisk, GBAC, which is a part of ISSA, and several other organizations. I'm not bragging. I'm just proud of everything I've accomplished. Coming from a narcissistic family who still to this day is very embarrassed that I own a cleaning business and give me no emotional support, I've had to overcome a lot. That's just one of many things. So seeing posts like this where I can help other entrepreneurs brings me such joy, It makes me so happy. I don't get paid on my YouTube channel. I only have like 1,600 subscribers. I only have like 800 view hours, and you need like 3,000. I don't get paid to make videos. I don't get paid to make this TikTok video. I'm in the content creator fund. I don't get enough views. I get 0. So the time that it takes me to make these views, I'm not asking for a handout. I'm not expecting anything. I do them because I genuinely love to share, and I love to help, and I love to teach, and I love to talk about eco-cleaning and the benefits of it and the dangers of toxic cleaning because I love eco-cleaning. I love nature. I love our earth. I love our home, and I want people to be safe. So being able to use my various social media platforms, whether it's TikTok, my Facebook business page, my website, which I do pay for, crunchycleaningbycathy.com, Instagram, which I don't use that much, but I should, Clapper, which I hardly ever use. What else? And my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I'm able to share on those platforms, every single one of them, but I don't get paid for them. I'm trying to monetize my Facebook page, but again, need more views. I'm trying to monetize this TikTok. I just need more views. And sometimes I'll have people that see my videos and they go, "Oh my God, where have you been? I love your channel." And I'm like, I've been here. I've been posting for over 10 years. I think I started my YouTube channel probably around the same time I started my cleaning business. I've been on TikTok for 4 or 5 years. I'm posting lots of important information. But I do it because I love it. And if I can change or help someone, it makes me even happier. If I can hear that my post about not mixing toxic chemicals will prevent somebody from possibly dying or getting injured, that makes me happy. Now, if people buy from my affiliate links, yay, I won't say no to a few extra bucks. If I can make more, that'd be great. You know, it takes a toll on your self-esteem sometimes when you see these videos of people just doing the most bizarre, dumbest stuff, jeopardizing their family, their children, putting them at risk, and they make bank. They make so much money. And I'm over here like, I'm doing stuff the right way, the legit way, the safe way, and I can't make money or compared to what they make. I'm going to keep being me. I'm going to keep posting. I'm going to keep sharing. If you want to join my Facebook group, Cleaning Business Tips for Professional Cleaners, request. And if you're a professional cleaner, we'll let you in. I also have a Facebook group called Green Clean Group, which is all about eco-cleaning. I have loads of tips here on my TikTok, loads of video on my YouTube channel. Everything is organized by albums, by the way, because I love having things organized. So thank you for being here. Thanks for following along. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. This just made my day. Oh yeah, so this video on my YouTube channel is how I quote with my fluctuating flat rate and make a ton of money. But that's how I quote, because I always hear cleaners asking, how do you quote? How do you make money? Do you do a flat rate or do you do an hourly? I don't do hourly. I do a flat rate. If you want to know how, check out that video. Thank you. Thank you, Renee. Thank you so much for the kind words. I'm so glad my video helped. If you're a professional cleaner, follow along on all my different channels. If you're not, and you're just someone who loves learning about cleaning or the environment or eco-friendly stuff or minimal waste, keep following along too. I appreciate all the views. I appreciate all the support. When you do what you love, it is not work. And I say it over and over and over again. I love what I do, not just the physical aspect of cleaning, but I love sharing and I love teaching and I love guiding and I love educating. I don't get paid for it, Maybe one day I'll be blessed, but it doesn't matter because I do it from here. And when you do it from here, that's what counts the most. Peace. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.